Hi, Sally Foley-Lewis here, and as you know, if you know me, you know that I am an avid cross stitcher, and so this is my latest project. And when I say latest project, I've had the kit for probably 10 years. This is what the final picture should look like once it's all over and done with. And I've had this kit for probably 10 years, as I said, and when I first got it, I can distinctly remember thinking, oh, the pattern is just so pretty. I just wanted to touch it and run my hand over the paper. The paper is quite glossy. It's just so pretty, and I'll open it up and show you. That way. You know, it's just so colourful, and it's detailed, and it's just gorgeous. Which is, you know, it makes it attractive. That's a really rich coloured page. I'll show you that one as well. It's absolutely just divine. So for cross stitch, if you don't know, it's colour by numbers. So you stitch by symbol, and the symbol is cross-referenced to a code, and the code cross-references to the colour. And so all of those little squares you see, all these squares are different codes and colours and numbers. And you only obviously stitch where there's a code or a colour. So normally when I cross stitch, when I have my pattern, I will colour in the square as I go, but I colour it in pencil. And the reason why I use pencil is because I make mistakes all the time. And so I have to unpick the actual fabric, but I also need to rub out where I've been so I can fix it and move forward again. Now, while this is absolutely gorgeous, and so you can see the sheen on it there, oh, it's just so nice. That actually is more complicated and is creating a little bit more concern as I'm stitching this than what normal other patterns do. So, and I'll show you why. I'm on this page of the pattern. I've actually had to use Texta, or, you know, permanent marker, as I've worked my way through this. I tried using whiteboard marker, but it smudges. I've tried using highlighter, but it smudges. Pencil doesn't work. It doesn't show up enough. I can't see it properly. And that's with my glasses on. So I've resorted to using a permanent marker. Now, if I make a mistake, I've just created a whole other level of complexity and a greater margin for error, because I can't take away the permanent marker and retrace my steps confidently enough that I've actually fixed the error properly. And it made me think about how we communicate in workplaces. Do we make our communication beautiful and glossy and attractive, which we do want to do, but does that then interfere and create more complexity and more issues later on? So it was just something I thought of, and I wonder whether it's food for thought for you as well. You know, yes, we want to make it so that people want to listen, want to read, want to implement whatever we're communicating, and we don't want to make it harder than what it needs to be. Food for thought. Love to know what you think, and I'll keep you posted on how I go. Thanks. Bye for now.